Welcome guys to Coding Brothers. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a platformer. Today, I will show you part 1 of my platformer. Let's get started. First, delete the cat sprite. Go to Paint, a sprite. Set the color to gray. And zoom in 4 times. And set the outline size to 12. Draw a square. And drag it to the middle. Set the fill color to black. And draw a square for the eyes. Copy and paste it and put it on the other side. Now go to code and get when green flag is clicked. Set size to 80. Now make a new custom block named setup. Now go to define setup and drag the sprite here. Now define setup, go to x, -205 and -126. Now put a set size to 80. Now go to motion and get set rotation style to left and right. So it won't rotate all around, it'll only rotate left and right. Get a forever loop, 2 if-thens, and 2 ors in the operations. One for the first if-then and the other one for the second. Now go to sensing, key right is pressed, and key A is pressed for the first if-then. Now get 2 more keys pressed for the second OR. The first one left and the other one D. For the first if-then, put a point in direction 90. For the other if-then, put a point in direction -90. And put a move 4 steps for both. We're not going to put -4 for the second if-then because we made it go to the left, point in direction left, and that will mean if it's pointing there, it will move 4 steps left. Now get an if-then else. Make a new variable called y-speed. For this sprite only. Now in the if-then loop, put if-then touching color. Make a new sprite called ground. Draw the grass with this sprite. And make the background transparent. Leave the Y where it is right now and put the X 0. Now drag the player here and change the setup to wherever it is now. 213 and the other one -103. Okay, now go to the color, touching color, and get the color of the grass. Now go to the variable and set Y speed to 0. And add an if then in the if then, and if then or. Up arrow key pressed, and for the other part of the or, put W. Now in that if then, set Y speed to 10. And in the else, change Y speed by -1. And outside that if then loop, change Y by Y speed. Now make a new sprite called cloud. Make at least 2 sprites and draw clouds. And when you're done drawing the outline, fill it. Now go to code. Get when green flag is clicked, set ghost effect to 30. That means when the green flag is clicked, the cloud would ghost in to make it realistic. Now go to looks and get switch costume to, go to operators, pick random 1 to 2. Now go to X Now put the X wherever you at the edge of the right and draw a sky so I can see. Okay, drag it here. Now put the X where it is now. Mine's at 178. Now put another pick random and put it in the Y. Put it to 149, 49 and 65. After that, go to X and Y. Make a new variable and name it speed X. For this sprite only. Now set speed X to 0. Put a forever loop. And change speed X by 0.01. And it has to be negative. Now put move speed X steps. Now put an if then equals and the and. Put the and first, then the equals in the first box. Costume name in the looks. Equals costume 1. And in the and box, put another equals and X position. Now press the green flag and wait for the cloud to go to the very end. I'm doing this because the cloud size is different and we need the exact X. Now for the costume 1, actually this is costume 2, so let's put 2. It is negative 283. Now duplicate that if and put another one. Now the second one, the cloud, is going to its final X, which is negative 259. And change the costume to 1. Now go to X 178 and the same pick random we did in the beginning, but it go to X and Y. Now put another switch costume, pick random 1 to 2 and set speed X to 0. Duplicate it and put it in the other if. Now let's test the code. You can see we can walk now, and the cloud goes perfectly. And hide the variables. I hope you like my platformer we did until now. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you soon.